So guys, as you see here, you would then press the button and it would tell you yards once you have it configured. So it's pretty nice. And again, it's a little hard doing this, guys, trying to show you, but you can change the settings as well. So you have all these different settings. Again, make sure you check out your manual, but overall, very nice. Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we got a laser range finder. This one goes from 5 yards to 1,000 yards, so it can go pretty far. All right, inside we get a charging cable that is a Type-C, cleaning cloth, and also how-to manual and guide. Right away we see it comes in a nice carrying pouch that can be put around your belt as well, so that's nice. Check out the rangefinder binoculars. Really cool white and black. I love that. I like that combination. So right here, you just pull this flap open and that allows you to charge it. You can adjust your rangefinder by twisting this piece right here as well. Nice grip, nice. Very nice. That's what it looks like from the front, from the back, and the side and the top. So on the top you have your buttons. You would go ahead, if you don't turn it on, it just works as normal binoculars. If you go ahead and press the power button, it comes on and then it shows you all of your settings. Again, for focus, you turn this to align the focus up. So it's gonna be hard for you guys to see, but we'll try and show you. And then when you have the power turned on, you can press the power button again to lock in how many yards. If you press mode, it then switches to other different modes. Check out your manual for the different modes and how to set everything up correctly. Let's go ahead and show you guys how this actually works. So guys, as you see here, you would then press the button and it would tell you yards once you have it configured. So it's pretty nice. And again, it's a little hard doing this, guys, trying to show you, but you can change the settings as well. So you have all these different settings. Again, make sure you check out your manual, but overall, very nice.